Bye.
Bye.
See ya. Alright. Oh, no one's pushing you.
No.
No. We'll go home soon, alright? See you, Mummy. Cook some dinner. Yeah? We're gonna make Mummy's lunch. We're gonna do the washing.
Oh, we'll be watching upside down. We're gonna be watching upside down.
Go the right way.
Oh, you're watching some cat show. Looks like we're gonna be spies.
Then we're just gonna need to get your cup. What cup do you want your juice to be in, baby boy?
Little.
Little.
Yellow.
Gonna say hi to everyone?
Hi.
Hi. Oh, you can look at the camera? Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going shopping, eh? So, already bought a few stuff. Got some bread, some chicken, strawberries, wipes, and some burger bread.
And now one's
Yeah. Oh, what's this?
sausage.
Sausage. Yummy. You don't like it? Do you like eating the skin?
No.
No, why not? Yeah. So where else are we gonna go?
Chicken.
Buy chicken? Yeah, hot chicken for Mummy. So we can make the lunch there. Yeah. What you got there in your hand? Giraffe? Where'd you get that from? Daycare? Are you borrowing it? Yeah. Let's go this aisle, eh? Looks like it's all your bacon eats. Yeah? Bunch of toys. Yeah? Look at the toys there. Heaps of Hot Wheels. Yeah? Yeah, monster truck. Oh, you see that one there? Got Hot Wheels, monster truck. Yes, heaps of more toys. Yeah. What's that?
Like my home, Daddy. Like my home, Daddy.
Yeah. You got heaps of toys at home. Let's see what's here. It looks like a little mini $5. Hey, it's your favorite number. $3. Yeah? Yeah?
And like green had a color. Like green.
Yeah? Which on that one there?
Bus.
That looks like a truck. It's where you stock cars on there. It's like a tow truck. Looks like a tow truck. Do you like green? Yes? Do you want that one? Yeah? We're gonna get that for you. Yeah? Okay. Let's get going, eh? Let's keep going this way. Do you want to buy it with your money? Or Daddy's money? Daddy's and Mummy's money?
My money.
Oh, your money. Okay. We're gonna deduct that from your money box there. Yeah. Where shall we go? Oops, sorry. Yeah. Oh, look at the meats. We got a chicken. You can identify what meat it is. Yeah.
Buy mince.
Yeah. Do you want to buy mince? We got you schnitzel. You can have schnitzel for dinner. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. What's that? What's that you see? Juice? Yeah?
Juice now.
You already got juice at home. We're not going to get you another one. Got some good juice at home. And we got some oranges from Granddad. Granddad's gave us heaps of oranges so we can make some juice out of that. How about if we make some juice today? Yeah? You want to make some juice with Daddy?
Oh, we can put the juice in it.
Yeah. How about if we just reuse the bottle we have and put juice in that? Yep. So we're reusing the plastic. We're not.
Later, do Santa.
Yeah. Later.
Santa gave it me later.
Oh, Santa. Oh, it's a bit too early for Santa to come.
No, my Santa gave it my one. Now.
Yeah. Who's your Santa? You got 4 months. Or less than that. Think about about 3 months until Santa comes. Yeah. Yeah, you might be getting some toys. As well as your birthday will be on the same month as it's on Christmas. Yeah? Should we go pay for it? Yeah, let's go. Sure? You already ripped into it. Look at that. What you've got. What do you have? It's a Hot Wheels. What is it? A Hot Wheels toe. See? There's a rubbish bin there. And it's a good thing that we need to check the rubbish in. You gonna check it? In the bin. What is it? Rubbish bin. Yeah. Just like that. It's all gone. So it's a Hot Wheels. What is it? A tow truck. Oh. Yeah? Can't lift it off. So we're gonna add this to your Hot Wheels collection you have at home. We're gonna find them all, bunch them up. You know what we're gonna do? Make a ramp. So we can pull the cars and go all the way down real fast. Yeah? So should we get home? Get going home? Yeah? Alright. Home. And you're watching tablet. Yeah? We're gonna make Mummy's lunch. We're gonna do the washing. Yeah. What you watching? Look. I'm gonna be watching upside down. Everyone will be watching upside down. Go the right way up. It's gonna rotate. There we go. Oh, you're watching some cat show. Talking cat. I think it's called. We're talking something. Looks like they're gonna be spies. Alright. So you want some juice? What do you say? Good boy. That's the way. High five. High five. Lijah. Lijah. High five. Yeah, good boy. Right. Gonna get some juice. Got some all natural. 100% pure. Alright. Are you gonna help Daddy pour the juice in? Okay. Now we're just gonna need to get your cup. What cup do you want your juice to be in, baby boy? You know what? I'll be right back. Now I got this from the car. Got this from McDonald's. It's a Hotel Transylvania number 3 cup. We're gonna drink out of it. Hey. Yeah? You wanna put your juice in there? Alright. Did open this. Oops. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Alright. Ready? So, say when. Stop. How's it taste? Yummy. Got to have all your nutrients. It's got the vitamin C's you need. Keep you healthy and strong. Because at the moment you're feeling sick, eh? Not well. But since we're at home, we'll try to rest, yeah, and have a little bit of fun. What do you think of that, baby boy? Yeah. Cool. All right. Steady do the washing. So how many sausages do we have on this plate? We're gonna have for lunch. No, count again. Go. Start from 1. No, start from 1. No, start from 1. 1, 2, 2, 3. Stop to 3. 4. Good boy. And no, just 4. And alright. Go de-skin them for you, okay? You don't like it with the skin, eh? Okay, I'll just de-skin it. So we've got the 4 sausages. Right. Ready, got a magic trick. 1, 2, 3. Done. Now, hold out your plate. Yeah? Alright, we're going to get some oyster sauce. Say when. Can you tell me how many sausages there is again? Start from 1. No. Start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there is 4 sausages. All for Elijah. Ready? You can eat them? Yes.
More.
You want more? Yummy! Ooh, yummy. Delicious! Yeah. When you hear parked up, just for you, little man. See some diggers, eh?
And down now that diggers.
Yeah. How many diggers do you see? Yeah. Yeah.
4,
Yeah.
5.
5 diggers. And what else do you see? Roller. Yes, there's some rollers. What are they doing? They're constructing. They're constructing the road, eh? Yeah.
And making new one.
Man, new road. Yeah. And then more subdivisions. Because we're in a place where there's a whole heap of new housing developments going on. Yeah. Pretty cool, eh? What's that? Yeah? Come here. Give daddy hugs. Alright, so you can see better. So look at that. Go away. Gotta
Coming back.
coming back, you're just shifting dirt.
Oh no, man coming.
Yeah.
Man coming, Daddy.
Man coming. Just a truck. Just as I happen to walk around, I see something moving. Look at this. In this throw. Oh, I'm giggling. What if I do this? Who's under here? Huh?
Open it.
Oh, it's Lijah! Hey! Wakey wakey, you're awake now, I'm so happy. How's your sleep? Sleep good? Hmm? So before we go and pick up Mummy, I got a surprise for you.
And then?
Hmm?
And then?
Yeah?
Cry?
Crane? No, no toy. Starts with a D. You want to find out or you want to know now?
Yes, one.
You want to know now? We go see the diggers before we go and pick up Mummy? Yeah? Sounds good?
Yes.
Yeah? Soon? I did say you could see the diggers. Oh, you're watching diggers on your tablet? Let's have a look.
Louder.
Oh, there's a loader. It's a radio control loader. You already got a radio control digger, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, and a dump truck. And a dumpster truck.
I have that one.
You want that one too?
Yes.
Get your collection, eh? Hey, maybe Santa will be good to you. Eh? If you be good, you'll be a good boy.
Oh no.
I'm sure you will be.
No, going up there.
Where's it going?
Up there.
Oh. Look at that, you got one of those. Yeah. You got one of these? Oh, still waking up. So we'll go soon, eh? Yeah. And what we're gonna get crinkle chips. What's that? You wanna get that one? We gonna put that in the trolley for Daddy? Which one? You like that one? I'm gonna get this one. Because Mummy likes that one. Yeah?
I don't like that one.
You like that one? Ugh, which one? Those French fries? The shoestrings? Yeah. Still pushing around. Can you see? Can you see where's the mayo? Yay! This one here. Got biscuit mayo. You want to put that on the trolley for Daddy? No, those ones are expensive. We'll get this one. It's a little bit cheaper and you get more out of it. Yeah, okay. Now we finished shopping. We've got a small amount of groceries. Ready? 1, 2, 3, bye!
Bye.
See ya! Oh, no one's pushing you! I got you. Oh, I won't let you go. Hey, I won't let you go. We're gonna go home? We're gonna put this away and go home? Yeah? Got your your construction toys with you. You're gonna take it everywhere, eh? Alright, we'll go home, eh?
No.
Yeah. We'll go home soon, alright? See Mummy, some dinner. Yeah? Alright. We're back here again. Hey? We're not moving this time, eh? What are they doing? Yeah. They're sleeping for the day. Yeah, because it's the end of the day. Hey? Oh. Yeah. And there's a roller and all that. Look at that, they've done a lot. Yeah, they excavated a lot of dirt, moved it around, flattened it.
That one right down there.
What's down there?
Like, see more they got down there.
Yeah, I see heaps of diggers down there. Yeah, and they'll be back to work tomorrow. Yeah. One bulldozer. And what's that in your hand? Do they have something? Do they have something like that? Do they have a dumpster truck? Do they have a tipper? Yeah. What you gonna get, little dude? Yeah? What you gonna get? What are you trying to find? Aye? What you trying to? Oh. It's a construction toys. Oh, your collection. Yeah, you dropped your one. You dropped the dumpster truck. Yeah. So you have to take a closer look. There's a loader, bulldozers, diggers.
Like this one.
Yeah.
And that was Daddy.
Yeah. Let's get going, little dude. How about at home? When we get home, we get all the Hot Wheels toys and build a ramp. You want to build a ramp? Yeah. No. Oh. Yeah. Anyway, come on. Let's get going, baby boy. Gotta get some dinner for Mummy, myself, and for Nana, and for you. So I bet you'd be hungry. Doing your own construction. Beep beep, beep beep. You're gonna make some room to build a home? Yeah?
No.
Oh, there we go. You need a digger to dig all that dirt because the bulldozer pushes all the dirt away. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, let's go.